Today, we're diving into a thought-provoking topic, the evolution of spiritual practices and how they're shifting in today's world. In the past, we often sought divine help through rituals and prayers in places like churches and temples, but now we're seeing a change. What do you think about this shift?
It's interesting, isn't it? It's like we're transitioning from relying on external places of worship to a more internal, personal approach. People are starting to realize they can connect with divine energy or higher powers anywhere, right from where they stand at home or even in their local community.
Exactly. It's almost as if the focus is shifting from asking for help to taking responsibility for our own actions. You mentioned something about people recognizing that their actions affect everything around them. Can you elaborate on that?
Sure, in the past it was common to go to a temple or church to pray for guidance or blessings, but now people are realizing that their energy, their actions are just as important. It's not about begging for help, it's about understanding that we shape our reality through our choices. If you're on the right path, things will align.
So it's like we're being asked to be more proactive, right? No more waiting for a miracle. We need to work within the system and trust that doing so will guide us to where we need to be.
Exactly. And I think this is happening because we're in a transitional period. It's not a sudden change, but a gradual shift towards a new way of living. We're moving into an age where people are more in control of their own destinies. We don't need to ask for help blindly anymore. We're meant to take charge.
That's a pretty empowering way of looking at it. So this transition isn't just about religion or spirituality, but a broader cultural shift?
Absolutely. It's about how we see the world, how we live our lives. It's about taking responsibility for ourselves and our community. Whether it's in a church, a temple, or just with friends and family, we should be fostering discussions, growing together, and helping each other reach higher states of awareness.
And this collective effort becomes even more powerful when it's done in unity, right? When people come together, not just to pray, but to share, learn, and solve problems together.
Exactly. It's like a support system. When people come together with the intention of understanding and improving themselves, they start to see things clearer. They'll realize that it's not about just asking for solutions, but learning from each other and growing collectively.
It's interesting because traditionally, we've been taught to just rely on prayer or external rituals. But now, it's almost as if we're being encouraged to look within and work together in a more dynamic way.
Yes, and that's a crucial part of this shift. We're no longer just following rituals to get what we want. It's about changing our mindset and our approach to life. It's like taking charge of our spiritual journey rather than waiting for someone else to guide us.
So it's really about self-awareness and community-based growth, rather than waiting for some divine intervention, right?
Exactly. If we can all start recognizing that, whether in our daily lives, our communities, or even in spiritual practices, everything starts with us. We can move forward with more clarity and purpose. It's not about seeking outside help, but understanding the power we have within and the responsibility we hold.
Well said. To wrap up, do you think we're ready for this transition? Is society prepared for such a change in how we view spirituality?
It's happening already, even if slowly. People are waking up to the idea that they're not powerless, that they can influence their own lives and the world around them. It's a process, but I believe it's one that's inevitable. If we keep moving forward in the right direction, we'll see more and more people embracing this new way of thinking.
Definitely. It's about creating a balance between personal growth and collective effort. And as we continue to explore this, I think we'll find more solutions to the challenges we face. Thanks for this insightful discussion today.
It was my pleasure. I think we've uncovered some key points here. Looking forward to seeing how these ideas unfold in the future.
Absolutely. Until next time, let's all keep striving for balance and growth.